we have already uploaded the file to the storage inside our Firebase. Now all we need to do is store those values inside the database. Now you can see that we have our root directory over here. Let's set the reference to our root directory here. Private database reference for database m database, and let's set it over here. So m database equals Firebase database dot get instance dot get reference. So that is our root directory. Now we don't want to store everything in root. We want to create a child and we want to store it inside that, and the child is going to be blog. All right, so next thing that we are going to do, once this is posted, this is uploaded, what we want to do is m database, which is our blog database over here. And what you want to do, you want to create another database reference over here, and this is going to be new post equals, and this is going to be equal to m database dot push. Now the push means that it creates a unique random ID, and this won't be overwritten anytime. All right, so don't worry about that. Next thing is going to be new post dot child. We are going to add a new child to that, and the child is going to be title dot set value, and we want to set the value to post title, and this is title value over here that we have set over there. And also child, and this is going to be desk dot set value, and this is going to be equal to desk val. And lastly, new post dot child. Now always remember, new post is our root directory slash blog slash a random ID, and now inside that random ID we will have a title, a desk, and an image URL. So image dot set value download URL dot to string, because that is a URI and we want to convert it to string before posting that. Now hit the play button again here, and make sure that you change the rule write to true, read to true as well, just for our tutorial, but not when you are creating professional app. You should always authenticate user. Now our app is running. Let's hit the add button, select an image from our gallery, add a title. The title is going to be new post something new. All right, and the description is going to be some random description. Now typing in a mobile can be pretty much not so good. All right, so once it is done, if I hit the submit button, you can see that posting to blog, and once our image is uploaded, it will get the download URI, and now you can see that it has created a blog child inside our root, which is we have defined over here. Now inside that, what it should do, it should create a random ID, which is done already. If you expand it, you can see that here it is, the description, the image, and the title. Now if I come over here, you can see that we are still on the same page. What you can do is create an intent, so user, once it is posted, user should go back to the home page. But let's take advantage of this small error over here and type in some random text, choose some other image, and hit the submit post again. Now what you will see again is it is creating a new ID and adding more data to our blog object over here. So now you can see that how you can post to a blog, a very simple posting posting tutorial. Yeah. So if you guys understand how this is done, I'm not really getting the word, just like if you try it with user authentication and make sure you add one more field, and that is going to be UID, that you can do it something like this: new post dot child UID and set value to using the Firebase auth. Right now we aren't using the Firebase auth. Firebase auth dot get current user get UID, and you can post the UID. Then later you can use that to get which user has posted this blog. So this is it for this part. One thing you can add for sure is after this, start activity new intent. Obviously after progress dismiss the context post activity dot this to main activity dot class. So user shouldn't stay after after posting the post. It should return back to the home page. Now from the next part we are going to start retrieving the data and we'll show it to our home page. So see you guys in next part.